Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Clair Obscur Expedition 33 fatal error including crashing or not launching on PC.
Fix 1. Verify game files Step 1. Open Steam Step 2. Go to Library Right, click Clair Obscur. Expedition 33 Step 3. Properties Installed File Step 4. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files Fix 2. Run Game as Administrator Step 1. Go to the Game Install folder Step 2. Right, click the game. X File Step 3. Select Run as Administrator. Fix 3. Update graphics driver Step 1. Open NVIDIA MD software Step 2. Check for latest driver Step 3. Download and install update Step 4. Restart PC Fix 4. Disable overlays Step 1. Disable Steam overlays Step 2. Turn off Discord Force Experience overlay Step 3. Launch the game again. Fix 5. Install Visual C++ and DirectX Step 1. Open _Redist folder in Game Directory Step 2. Install Visual C++ Redistributables Step 3. Install DirectX Step 4. Restart PC Fix 6. Disable Antivirus Add Exclusion Step 1. Open Antivirus Settings Step 2. Add Game folder to Exclusions Step 3. Launch the game.